guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while but we're back, and yeah, nilianza vlog on Monday but I didn't want to do an intro before my hair was done because my hair was terrible guys, but yeah, right now it looks so nice. So yeah, nimetoka retouch and I passed by Carrefour. Iko highway mall, kuna Carrefour highway. Na ni kubwa, like I didn't expect it to be that big honestly. Nimezunguka looking for stuff, like it's huge. So yeah, I've done my shopping, but Carrefour wako na deals poa. Like actually the amount of money nilikuwa na expect to spend on shopping haijafika, so I'm so happy. And yeah, so let's unbox my shopping together with you guys so that you can see what I usually get when I come back from holiday. Like just major stuff that I usually get for my semester for my stay here at school. So yeah. So I'm trying to find the perfect angle to unbox my shopping with you guys, and I'm using my sugar box as the tripod for today and my windowsill. Yeah, and I know my nails nilizifanya jana usiku in a rush, like I wasn't feeling like studying and then I got distracted, and yeah, that's why they look so bad because need DIY. So the first item that shocked me, like the deal was too good to be true, like 12 rolls of tissue at 300 shillings. Like why? Oh, let me try again. Okay, so kuna this pack of tissues, 12 packs, ilikuwa 300 and something. Like that's so good. Like why? Hata sijai nunua 12 tissues at a go, like nanunuanga 8 ama 4 12. Oh, yeah. So Daisy, let me clear my table a bit. And I carried my own carrier bag. Ndio nisilipie carrier bag, like the pain. So serviettes, sanitary towels, bathing soap, lots of coffee sachets. It's almost that time of the semester, like Nanza exams Monday. I'm sure I'll consume a lot of coffee. And then yeah, my coffee. Now these tea bags that I normally use almost every day for breakfast. And then kuna hizi tea bags za forest fruit. I love taking this after school, like almost every day. I'm at night, I always take it. And then this prestige margarine and tomato sauce. I love this one so much for my fries. And then I got Vaseline. I've actually never tested it. My small sister introduced me to it akifanya shopping yake ya kurudi shule, akasema inanukia poa, and I think it smells better than the other ones. And then this Colgate, ilikuwa expensive. Like what? Nilikuwa to like shukisha, like what do you mean? But it's okay because like all the toothpastes that I'm always trying, I don't usually like them, but I tried this one. Like iliniacha na hiyo feeling natakanga kuacha nayo after brushing my teeth. So finally guys, I got the nice and lovely lemon extract and sunflower seed oil. So nilikuwa natafuta hii lotion hadi last time as I was doing my shopping tukifungua shule, but unfortunately like kwa super zote haikuwa. Imagine, like you know, Kenyans kitu kiadvertisiwa sana everyone buys it, so like it was out of stock in almost, nilienda Carrefour na nikaenda Naivas, but finally I got it. And then bar soap for cleaning my clothes, and 2 kgs of sugar. Like sasa niko sina stress by the way, because like there's nothing that stresses me enough like when sugar is done, because inakwanga so expensive, but actually you may buy for a cheaper price than I've ever bought it at Carrefour, so it's okay. So I'm now set for the semester, guys. The other stuff that zenye sijabai kama Omo, I have plenty. Stationaries, I also have plenty of them, and yeah, so that's my shopping, guys. Let me